Yeah, I confess, Father, I confess, 'cause I've been living wrong. I know.
What is up, guys? It's been such a long time since I've used the camera. I finally got it back from Lewis, and we're gonna do a little bit of work on the EG, because this is what happened. Yeah, the corner light popped off because it was jiggling like this on. Literally move it with my finger. I can literally take it out. Anyways, that's gonna get fixed today. Plus, I don't really like these black housing headlights, so we're gonna change them. So I'm gonna show you guys a preview what the lights look like. Just give me a second to open this. This is actually kind of tough. That it's a box inside of a box. My first sight, man. I was about to throw out the box with the whole fucking thing. I found these babies in there. So yeah, and I'm gonna open up that box, which contains the actual headlights. And I'll show you guys. Yeah, I'll show you the headlights, and then I think I'm gonna move the car to the front of the house, because I don't know when my girl's grandmother's coming home. But then we'll install them. See how they look, man. Take a couple pictures for the gram, you know what I'm saying? And sorry if your boy, man, I sound crazy, man. I'm sick as shit, but I still want to put out a video for you guys because I know it's been more than a week, so I'm trying to get it done. But let's get to it, man. Man, I already got these lights out the box, and I just want to say thank you, Spec D Tuning. If you need any headlights, man, check them out, man. Look at these things. They look so good. Really good quality. You could already tell from the fucking package, dude. Wow. Alright, so I'm gonna back up the car real quick. Damn, man, I'm like stoked. These shits look so good. If you're as fortunate as I am, mine are all Allen keys. Came with the car. We gotta take them all out. It's gonna be a pain in the ass. Not all of them, just the ones that hold the headlights, really. But I didn't even have Allen keys. I was lucky my dad gave me these, like, a random ass time. Alright, so my camera decided to be a little fucking bitch. So I got one headlight out, and I gotta take out that one. And right now it's being kind of a pain in the ass. It doesn't want to come out. But we're determined. Dude, I'm so sick right now, it's ridiculous. Both headlights are out. This actually looks kind of cool, you know? It's time to put these things back on. And man, I noticed I have to clean up all my wiring, dude. I have like wires. Oh, my fault. I didn't even show that. Everywhere. All around there. All here. And there. On the fenders. Man, I gotta clean this shit up. Little by little though, man. But let's put on the new headlights. So that's what it's looking like right now. Looks a lot better and cleaner. They're sitting a lot better, closer to the bumper. The only thing is, those do not fit, the corner lights. So, I'm tired. So, what I think happened was, I think I ordered the wrong gear, or because the fenders that I have aren't the originals to the car. They're the JDM ones with the, they're the JDM ones with these on them, the blinkers, side blinkers. And honestly, I really don't care for them. They're just there. So I'm gonna see if I get another pair of the JDM clear ones, but I don't know, because I need new fenders anyways. I think I'm about to just rock them like this for a while until, matter of fact, I'll see, we'll see if I get some corner lights again, see if I can make them fit. But regardless, I still need 2 new fenders, so let's see what happens. But I'm just gonna finish putting them together because I still gotta bolt up the corner light, but everything else is bolted up. Just need that corner light done. Oh man, the headlights look so much better and cleaner. I just gotta start getting my shit together, man. I gotta start painting the car. Get new fog lights or get rid of them. I don't know. But let's put the bulbs in because I forgot to put that on. I think it looks a lot better. Way better. They sit a lot better. Just gotta get them damn corner lights, man. Like I said, it does look a lot cleaner. Man, what could I say, man? I'm a little bummed out. Wish the corner, that was the whole point of doing the whole thing, but I'm gonna talk to the company, see if I can get the right ones. If not, because I broke the two little piggies, little legs that slide into the fender. They went bad. It fucking snapped right off as soon as I forced them in. I thought I'd be able to fit them in, but they didn't fit. So I'm gonna see if I can talk to them, see if I can get another pair. If not, I will look around, see if I can get a pair that fit to these fenders, or if I have to change the fenders back to like the OEM ones instead of the what's it called? It's the, damn, I don't remember where I got these fenders from. Password JDM, the JDM fenders for the freaking EJ. But I'm so bummed out. But what do you guys, you know, what are you gonna do? But hope you guys liked the video, and hit that like button, share, and if you're new, subscribe. Or if you have subscribed and you are new, keep watching. We got a lot of stuff coming. The gang's got a bunch of new cars, so all the cars we had back then, most of them are gone. We all moved on to newer projects because we want cars that have more support, or something different, should I say. But thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.